Meet Hirose's TF07V Series, a state-of-the-art FFC FPC connector, combining a slim, compact design with powerful functionality. It's perfectly suited for today's high-tech devices. Highlights of the TF07V series include remarkably space-efficient with a 0.5 pitch and a 2.1mm height. It's designed for the tightest of spaces. A dual contact approach, offering top or bottom connections, enhances design versatility and layout options. The backflip design ensures superior retention force, keeping connections stable and secure. User-friendly with a simple two-step mating process. Insert the FPC or FFC and close the actuator. Designed for reliability with a robust actuator that prevents separation and ensures lasting connections. And the TF07V is halogen-free, suitable for eco-conscious applications and adhering to the latest environmental standards. Ideal for devices requiring precision and miniaturization, such as advanced robotics, smartphones, wearables, and medical devices, the TF07V series offers reliable, high-density connections. Stay ahead of the curve with the TF07V series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.